The in plus something can be translated by adding la or ulla depending on how precisely the meaning should be. In or inside is ulla. Ulla. In something is la. That's the guys are playing in the garden. The water is in the pot. The book is inside the bag. So that's the difference I want to make. One is la, it's just it's there, it is in there, it's in the garden, in the box, in the water. The fishes are in the water. And ulla means inside. Room ku ulla, inside the room, inside the shell, inside the box, inside the house. There's water inside the pot. குடத்துக்குள்ள தண்ணி இருக்கு. குடம் is pot. உள்ள is inside. Water. தண்ணி இருக்கு. தண்ணி is there. குடத்துக்குள்ள தண்ணி இருக்கு. I know this may not be the right way you say that. குடத்துக்குள்ள, you don't say inside the pot. It's enough to say in the pot. But I just want to make the context clear. There is water inside the pot. Just imagine you want to make a difference between some water clinging to the pot and there's some water inside the pot. There's water inside the pot. Kodathukku ulla is inside. Alternatively, you can also say, even in Tamil, there is water in the pot. Kodathukkulla, kodathula, kodam is pot, la is in it. Kodathula, kodam, pot, in it. In the pot, water. தண்ணி இருக்கு. தண்ணி இருக்கு. Water is there. குடத்துல தண்ணி இருக்கு. So the first one is குடத்துக்குள்ள தண்ணி இருக்கு. That's water inside the pot, which may not be correct, but it's okay to say now. There's water in the pot. குடத்துல தண்ணி இருக்கு. There's water in the pot. What is inside that? அதுக்குள்ள. Adu is that. Ulla is inside. So it's joined in such a way you hear அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு. What? இருக்கு is there. அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு. What is in it? அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. So the difference is inside it becomes உள்ள and in it you get la. அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு. அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. So it's very clear that when you want to say, convey something like inside of something, it is அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு. அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. What is in it? Of course, it also, you can also, it figuratively means, what is in it? So what? So what? What's in it? அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. You're wearing a strange shirt. Okay, what's in it? Why do you bother? அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. In that, what is there? அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு. அதுல என்ன இருக்கு. மழையில நீ ஏன் விளையாடுற. Why are you playing in the rain? மழையில நீ ஏன் விளையாடுற. மழை is rain. As I said, மழையில in the rain. மழையில நீ you ஏன் விளையாடுற. Why are you playing? மழையில நீ ஏன் விளையாடுற. La is also used to convey in something similar to be part of something. Why are you getting involved in the problem? Here it's not a proper thing. Instead, it is a problem that you're getting involved. It's an activity you're getting involved. Prachana is problem. Prachana is problem. Prachana நீ ஏன் கலந்துக்கிற is to get involved, to be a part of. பிரச்சனையில நீ ஏன் கலந்துக்கிற. I'm not interested in your leaving, which means you're leaving, and that the leaving is the thing the person is mentioning. I'm not interested in your leaving. I'm not interested in your joining. I'm not interested in your meeting someone. I'm not interested in you leaving the house. It's the same. நீ போறது is to go. நீ போறதில்ல. In your living, எனக்கு for me இஷ்டம் இல்லை. இஷ்டம் is I'm not interested. நீ போறதுல எனக்கு இஷ்டம் இல்லை. You come in the morning. நீ காலையில வா. காலையில நீ வா. காலை is morning. காலையில in the morning. காலையில வா. காலையில நீ வா. What is in America? In America. அமெரிக்கால in America. அமெரிக்கால என்ன இருக்கு? What is there? என்ன இருக்கு? What is there in America? I'm not in the wedding. கல்யாணத்துல நான் இல்லை. I'm not in the wedding. Means probably he means he was not in the wedding. I'm not going to be the part of the wedding, or I'm not in the wedding. See, I'm outside. I cannot give the phone to this person because I'm not at the wedding. I'm outside. I'm on travel. So it means various things, but contextually it is in the wedding. I'm not in the wedding. I'm not part of the wedding, or I'm not in the wedding place. Anything. It is in the wedding. Kalyanathilla, in the wedding. So the la has many meanings, which can become you're part of something, you're not in the place, or you're not in the wedding. It can be anything. Who is coming among these three persons? இந்த மூணு பேரில் யார் வரா? இந்த this மூணு பேர், three, மூணு is three, பேரில் among these. So among these three persons, இந்த மூணு பேர், these three people, இந்த மூணு பேர், இந்த மூணு பேரில் among these three people, who is coming? யாரு வரா? யாரு வரா? In what? எதில்? In what? எதில்? எது is what? In what? எதில்? Inside what? எதுக்குள்ள? எதுக்குள்ள? Inside what? Inside this or inside that? It can be எதுக்குள்ள. Inside this or within this. இதுக்குள்ள. இதுக்குள்ள. Inside this is within this place or within this period of time. Also you say in this time, within this, within when, you say within within these days. So it's being used in both the context. இதுக்கு உள்ள, within this time, or within this period, within this place. இதுக்கு உள்ள. In this or in that. In this or in that. இதுலயா இல்ல அதுலயா. இது. இதுல is in this, and it's a question asked. இதுலயா, in this, or இல்ல அதுலயா. இதுலயா இல்ல அதுலயா. In this or in that. Inside this or inside that. Inside this. இதுக்குள்ளயா. இதுக்குள்ளயா இல்ல அதுக்குள்ளயா. இதுக்குள்ளயா இல்ல அதுக்குள்ளயா. Which means also means within this time, or within that time, or within this place, within that place. இதுக்குள்ளயா அதுக்குள்ளயா. Come in person. Let us talk. நேருல வா. நேரு is person. In person. Come in person. நேருல வா. பேசலாம். Let us talk. Let's discuss that. Come in person. நேருல வா. பேசலாம். I'm not in it. இதுல நான் இல்ல. இது is this. இதுல in it. நான் இல்ல. I'm not in it. I'm not in that. அதுல நான் இல்ல. I'm not in that. I am not in that. அதுல that. அதுல அதுல நான் இல்ல. Now let us see the vocabularies. To involve or to get involved. Involve. கலந்துக்கிறது. கலந்துக்கிறது. Pot. Pot is the water pot. குடம். குடம். Water. தண்ணி. தண்ணி. Rain. மழை. மழை. The Tamil ra sound. மழை. To play. விளையாடுறது. விளையாடுறது. To play. விளையாடுறது. Wedding. கல்யாணம். கல்யாணம். In person. நேருல. நேர்ல